Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix a restricted account on the World app. First, stay on the error screen. At the bottom, you will see an option for support. Tap on it. This will open the support section inside the app. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. There you will find a customer support icon. Tap on it. This will open the chat window where you can talk directly with the support team. When the chat window opens, type a short and clear message. Explain that your account is restricted and ask them to help you unlock it. For example, you can write, "My account is showing restricted." The support team may ask for some details. Be ready to confirm your account information and provide any documents they request. Follow their instructions step by step. This is the fastest way to solve the restricted account issue. Make sure you stay patient in the chat and check your messages often because the support team may not reply right away. Once they confirm your details and review your case, your account should be restored. That is the full process to fix a restricted account on the World app. Thanks for watching.